How to change your username on Spotify or how to change your Spotify username. Well, hello everybody, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can change your Spotify username. Well, the process itself is actually pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you through this video. In order to change your Spotify username, what you can do is you can simply first open up Spotify. Once you head over to Spotify, you want to tap on the profile icon at the top left and there tap on view profile option. Once you tap on view profile, you'll find the edit option below on your profile. So simply tap on edit option there. And once you tap on edit, now you can see the name. Now this is just a display name. Now you won't be able to change the username, which is given to you by default when you make the account, and Spotify doesn't give you any option to edit that or change that, but you'll be able to change your display name through this. So this is how you can edit your display name or username on Spotify. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave the comments down below if you have any further issues as well.